Yesterday, I was driving on a 3-lane highway on the right hand lane. Suddenly, someone ahead of me in the left hand lane veered into the Jersey barrier and then drove all the way across 3 lanes of moving traffic to get safely to the right hand emergency lane. It was amazing. I couldn't believe that no one got hit and no one got hurt. But my body was shaking. My thoughts went to, I wonder what happened. And I imagined what could have happened. We all have many moments like this throughout every day, whether they're really dramatic or they're barely noticeable, but they all work the same way. The brain detects that there's a real or potential threat, and the body gets ready to protect you. Or, in other words, ready to move. Even if that threat is not real, the body is triggered. Negative emotions stick because they change your body. Muscles are tensed, hormones and neurotransmitters are still surfing throughout your body. Adrenaline, norepinephrine, cortisol, these physical effects stick around and they create a memory of stress in your body and your brain. Your body is telling your brain that there's still a problem. That body brain communication happens below the surface of our awareness. Your logical brain knows you're okay, but your survival brain learns from your body about whether you're safe or not. And it's really easy to end up stuck with a pile of negative or stressful emotions held in your body. So I had two choices after that happened. I could move on with my day because my logical brain knew that I was okay, or I could pause to be well now. This is how we unstick negative emotions. The first step is to be mindful, bring your awareness here now to calm the what if scenarios or I can't believe this happened scenarios. Get your attention into your body right now in the present moment to know that you're safe. And then the intention of self care, thanking your body for doing its job to take care of you, and then moving it to help clear that stress state, whether you're doing mindful mobility, just some stretching movements, because that stretch that you feel when you're stretching is actually a muscle contraction and it's helping to clear that muscle tension and clear those stress hormones. You could do strength movements, and even if you can't move, you can squeeze and release. So, mindful, science based, intentional movement for whole person self care is the way to unstick negative emotions and move on to be well now. It makes room in your whole person for the full range of emotions that we feel throughout the day rather than getting stuck in the ones that perpetuate a stress state. Learn more about how to use the Be Well Now method of exercising for well being at exercisingwell.com.